I have a story about this computer that is plugged in right now, I'm using right now. As you may know, I got another AOpen like this. I did it a couple days ago. Did a video on it a couple days ago. This is the original one. This is the one that I had originally, my first one. The second one, I no longer have the second one. Actually, it's in the trunk of my dad's car right now. It's going back to his work tomorrow. So, you may know, I had that computer, and it's had some pretty good parts in it. So, you know what I did? That's right. I put some parts into this machine from that computer. Now, yeah. So, what you may not know is that this computer got a RAM upgrade. So it used to, earlier today when I was running, it used to have 512 megs of RAM in this. This computer used to have 512 megs of RAM in here. Well, guess what? That is no longer true. I upgraded it to nope, not 1 gigabyte. Here we go. That's right. I upgraded it to not 1 gig, but 1. Does this thing ever focus? But please focus. Please focus. Well. Yeah, that's right. Not 1 gig. I'll get closer to it and hoping that it's going to work. Not 1 gig, but 1.5 gigs of RAM. That's right, this thing is up to 1.5 gigs of RAM. Took the gig of RAM out of my second AOpen, my other AOpen. Also, another thing that I missed, well, actually I told you about it. This AOpen was from 2005, and the other one was from 2006. It was like 6 months, not 6 months, like 8 months difference in manufacturing date, which 8 months can really make a difference for this kind of thing. Now, unfortunately, the video card's still 64. The video card's not upgraded. Just the RAM was the only thing that was upgraded. Anyway, there we go. Should focus better. It says it in megabytes, but I don't really care.